Linking your bank account to Windscribe is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your payments easily. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create a Windscribe account. Visit the Windscribe website and sign up for a new account if you haven't already. Fill in the required details, including your email address and password, to create your account. Step 2. Log into your account. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. This will take you to your Windscribe dashboard where you can manage your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Options. In your dashboard, locate the Payment or Billing section. This is where you can manage your payment methods and link your bank account. Step 4. Select Bank Account Linking. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. Now you have successfully linked your bank account to Windscribe. Enjoy seamless payments and access to your VPN services.